Hey y'all, today I want to show you the newest offering from Southwest Florida Walking Tours. What you're going to do is take your smartphone and get this free app. It's called Pocket Sites. Pocket Sites. Once you've installed it, you click on it and up pops my newest tour. This is a self-guided walking tour and it's 100% free. Click on it and you're going to get some basic information. It's a little less than a half a mile long, 44 minutes and 12 stops. You can play audio.
Indian Springs Cemetery in Punta Gorda was established in 1886 thanks to the donation of land along.
Go ahead and start the tour so you can see how it works. I'm not in Punta Gorda right now, so I can use the virtual tour mode, but if you're at the cemetery, you're going to go ahead and use the standard tour mode. Here we go. Again, you can play the audio.
We recommend parking under the shady oak tree.
And we're going to go ahead and continue. We're on our way to the first grave. And we've arrived. George McGraw, Dick Wyndham, and Virginia McGraw. You can scroll and look at different pictures that are included. Scroll down, play the audio, or read along.
George McGraw, Dick Wyndham, and Virginia McGraw. George and Virginia McGraw arrived in Punta Gorda from Lakeland, Florida, sometime after 1928. They opened a small filling station and convenience.
And that's how easy it is to take a free tour of Indian Springs Cemetery, courtesy of Southwest Florida Walking Tours.